In this video, I'm going to use implicit differentiation to write an equation of the tangent line to the graph of xy equals 10 at the point -5, -2. So remember, when you're doing implicit differentiation, our goal is to solve for y prime, or dy dx. And also, every time that we differentiate a y term, I need to include a y prime with it. So on this left side, it looks like I have x times y. So I'm going to use the product rule for this. So the derivative of the first, well, the derivative of x is just 1 times the second, so y, plus the first times the derivative of the second. Well, the derivative of y is 1, but I have to include a y prime. So the derivative of xy is going to be y plus x y prime. And then, of course, the derivative of a constant 10 is just going to be 0. And again, our goal is to solve for y prime. So in an effort to do that, let's go ahead and subtract y from both sides. So I'll have xy prime equals -y. And then to finish this up, let's go ahead and divide both sides by x. So it looks like y prime equals -y over x, which suggests that the slope for any tangent line on the graph of xy equals 10 is going to be the opposite of the y coordinate divided by the x coordinate. So let's go ahead and plug that information in here. So I have y prime equals the opposite of my y, which is -2, over my x, which is -5. So we have the opposite of a negative, so a little swoosh swoosh right there. So ultimately, when I bring this negative out front or up top, I'm going to have -2/5 for my slope. And it's nice because I'm given the whole ordered pair here. So this is my x and this is my y. So it looks like I'm ready to go ahead and write the equation of this tangent line. So I can do it in point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals the slope m times the quantity x minus x1. And of course, these are my coordinates, so the x1 and the y1. So I can say y minus a -2 equals that slope -2/5, and then x minus -5. Of course, we can clean it up a little bit here. We'll do a little swoosh swoosh there, a little swoosh swoosh there. And so it looks like we'll have y plus 2 equals -2/5 times the quantity x plus 5. And there's the equation written in point-slope form. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at a graph of that.